Camelia, and the last seat on the school bus. Every morning at sunrise primary, the yellow school bus rumbled through the community, honking twice before heading up the hill. Children came running with lunch bags swinging, trying not to miss it. But no matter how fast she moved, Camelia Brown was always the last one to reach the stop. She was small, shy, and thoughtful, the kind of child who'd stop mid-run to tie her friend's lace or wait to Miss June sweeping her yard. "Camelia, hurry up," her mother would call. "I'm coming, Mummy," she'd answer, puffing and smiling. By the time she reached the stop, the bus would already be full of chatter and laughter. The older boys in front talked loud about football, and the girls in the middle sang the latest dancehall tunes under their breath. Only one seat was ever left, the half seat at the very back. You know, the kind. The space beside the wheel hump that wasn't really a full seat at all. Still, Camelia didn't mind. From there, she could look through the window and watch the hills wake up golden every morning. Then, one Thursday, things changed. When the bus pulled up, a new boy was standing by the stop, tall, quiet, holding a backpack that looked almost bigger than him. "Morning," said Mr. Campbell, the driver. "Everybody, this is Michael. Him just moved to the community." The children shuffled over, but every space was taken except for Camelia's half seat. Michael hesitated. "Me can fit?" he asked. Camelia smiled kindly. "If we squeeze up small, we can both fit. But you have to hold on when the bus go round the corner." They laughed and did just that. Two little halves making one whole seat. At every bump, they'd giggle. When the bus hit a pothole, they'd rock and say together, "Whoops, big hole again." Soon, their quiet corner became the fun seat. They shared jokes, snacks, and stories about their schools. Michael told her about Portland, where the sea looked like a mirror. Camelia told him about the mango tree near her yard that only bloomed in August. After a week, the kids started calling out, "Camelia and Michael, ready for the last seat, crew?" They'd grin, wave, and squeeze into their spot like it was made just for them. One morning, Camelia dropped her juice box and it splashed everywhere. She looked embarrassed until Michael handed her half of his sandwich and whispered, "Mama always say, sharing sweet like ripe mango." That made her smile again. From that day, Camelia stopped seeing the back of the bus as the leftover spot. It was where friendship bloomed, a reminder that even small spaces can hold big joy.